Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Level Up Podcast with myself, Greg Harrelson. This is where I focus on taking you from agent to entrepreneur. As you know, I have a passion for developing agents. And on today's episode, I'm going to share another quick strategy on how you can increase your production. I'm going to be real, so you be ready. Let's level up.
Hey everybody, Greg Harrelson here, and I want to talk with you about accountability, and more importantly, why accountability is so misunderstood in the real estate industry. So let me just start off by first saying, what is accountability? Accountability, to me, eliminates the time and effort that we spend on distracting activities or unproductive behavior. In other words, when we are accountable to certain strategies, then what we do is we eliminate the possibility of doing other strategies at that time that might not serve our business as well. So to me, that's what accountability is for. Basically, it helps us be more productive, and I think all of us would want that. But how does accountability really help? Well, accountability helps you keep consistent. So if you have an accountability partner and you all are saying, hey, I want to go to the gym 3 days a week at 7 a.m, then knowing that you have a partner that's going to be at the gym waiting on you helps you become more consistent. So it's the same thing with our real estate business. If you have some things that you want to do consistently, you want to make maybe a morning ritual or a routine, whether it's lead generation, marketing, social media, whatever it is that you want to be consistent on, accountability helps you stay consistent. It also helps you reduce bad decisions. See, if you have accountability that says, I'm going to do these certain things to build my business every single day, then when you're tempted, especially on social media, by some of those ads that are trying to get you to pay 99 cents and they'll give you unlimited leads, these crazy ads that we see in the real estate business, if you have some accountability in place, you're less likely to fall to that temptation and get distracted by those shiny objects. So that's how another way that accountability can help you. Of course, it serves as a support system. It supports your business. It keeps you focused on your goals. You should all, and I know I do this with all of my agents and love to help you also with goals. I help people set their goals, and then we break their goals down into daily activities, and then we hold each other accountable to those daily activities. So it keeps you focused on doing the things, following the process that leads you to your goals. And then, of course, what I find with accountability in the agents that I mentor is I find that it helps them build confidence. So it keeps you consistent, helps you reduce bad decisions, eliminate distractions. It supports your goals. It helps you keep focused on your goals, and it helps you build confidence. Of course, accountability has nothing to do, and this is where I think people misunderstand, is they feel like they're being micromanaged. They feel like they're being told what to do. We're independent contractors, yes. We don't want to be micromanaged, but that has nothing to do with accountability. It's not about someone telling you what to do. It's not about you being punished if you don't do something. It's about supporting you and reminding you, hey, look, we've made a commitment to this goal. Here are the activities. Let's be accountable to them. Let's help each other reach these goals. That's what a powerful accountability partner will do, or a company that has accountability built in. So there's some things that I do with my agents that are very simple. Number one, I help them set goals. I don't set their goals. I help them set goals and set goals that motivate them, something that means something that's worthwhile to them, a worthy goal. Once they have that worthwhile goal, then I help them create a blueprint to achieve that goal. We sit down and somebody says, well, my goal is to make a certain amount of income. Well, we calculate how many transactions they have to do in order to reach that income. We then determine how many of the transactions that they need to do, how many of those will be buyer-driven versus seller-driven. Once we know how many will be buyer-driven and seller-driven, then we start building a plan, an activity, an action plan in order to get that many listings or to get that many buyer contracts. So we keep breaking it down. It goes from goals to financial goals, to transaction goals, to how many will be buyers versus sellers. And then we write a business plan on how we're going to do that many buyers, how we're going to do that many sellers. And then at that point, we talk to them. I talk to them every week about their goals. And I just say, hey, let's check in. How are we doing? Just checking in is a form of accountability. They knowing that I'm going to ask them is not me policing them. It's me to fall source. It's being engaged in supporting their goals and making sure that they have all the tools necessary to reach those goals on a weekly basis. So we set the goals, we write a blueprint, we talk about those goals. And then next thing you know, we hold each other accountable to the activities. Hey, did you do what you said you were going to do? No? Okay, no worries. Hey, what's it going to take to set up your schedule this next week to have a much more successful schedule or routine? Maybe your activities that you didn't do last week, you can get those done this week. That conversation keeps the ball moving forward. Basically, accountability is about support. It's not about policing, punishing, or micromanaging. It's about support. So if you want some more information on growing your real estate business, I'd love to help you. Again, I'm Greg Harrelson. I have offices throughout the state of South Carolina and North Carolina. There's Century 21 offices. And if you want to check out more about what my coaching and how I can support you, a free coaching call or whatnot, go to GregHarrelsonCareers.com. Check out that information and let's connect sometime and see if I can help you.